salami slicing machine, a slicing solution for food processing plants. Frisch's Vario-cut candy or bread making machine is compatible with all types of Danish pastries and bread. The Multivac H240 processing module demonstrates the perfect automatic loading of salmon fillets into the packaging machine. Wow! Almost all processes are automated. Even the box packaging is automated. That's amazing. With this automatic meat slicer, you won't have to slice meat for your wife anymore. Frisch's Multiflex L sheeting machine is used for making candy and bread, using complex cutting and hole punching technology to create dough with various shapes with high precision along the line, regardless of the type of dough. You enjoy a slice of dried ham, feeling the salty, sweet, and savory flavors mixed with a passionate aroma spreading on the tip of your tongue. The meat is soft, chewy, melts in the mouth, providing an unforgettable culinary experience. When you put this tray of bacon or sausage in the oven, the mouth-watering aroma will spread throughout the kitchen, awakening all your senses. The pleasant sizzling sound of grilled meat will make you irresistible. Entering the dance under a gentle light, the eggs are carefully inspected. Cracked or dirty eggs are removed. UV light purifies, sterilizes, and protects each egg, ensuring safety for the symphony of flavors. products and applications, including heavy and hard-to-move items like meat, poultry, fruits, or vegetables. Ultra takes advantage of a simple drive system, proven with reliable mechanical parts, energy saving, and a sealed, hygienic design that is easy to clean. This simple design eliminates the need for covers and tensioning straps, providing improved maintenance through quick installation and removal. The rotating Eco KS7 vegetable and salad dryer really looks like a washing machine, doesn't it? Do you need to produce lemon solo and need lemon peels? This peel stripper is for you. If you are craving fried chicken, this video is for you. Labor challenges affecting your efficiency? Overcome production challenges easily with robotic technology and soft gripper tools. Multivac UK recently introduced the new high-speed dual-product portioning machine, RS920 Flex. If you find this sandwich unsatisfying, comment with a 0. Addressing labor shortage issues with reliable and efficient robotic automation solutions. Use these 3 machines to easily assemble up to 60 round sandwiches per hour with just one person. This is a cost-effective solution for round sandwich production with minimal manpower. An ideal solution for heat sealing